Right, welcome back to this channel. I'm Mr. Long, your math teacher today. This video is done for my students in 2025 to do their corrections and for their PSLE revision. If you are watching this and not my student, welcome. And the best way to help yourself is to pause and not just look at the solution. Right, try it on yourself on a piece of paper. Let's get started. Now in 1468, which digit is in the thousands place? So if you have this 1468, thousands place will be this digit. So answer is 1. Next one, which of the following is 82,007? So 82,000, 82 is this. 1,000 would be, you have 3 zeros and 7, so you plus a 7 and then you'll get 82,007. The answer is number 2. Next one, in this 6.7, in 6.789, which digit is in the hundreds place? This one is in ones. This will be in the tens place. This would be in the hundreds THS place. So the answer is 8 is number 3. Next one, which digit in 56.78? 56.78 is in the tens place. Now notice this is TENS. It is not TENTHS. Okay, this will be in the decimals, those behind the decimal. TENS will be the numbers in front of the decimal. So TENS, so this will be in the ones place. This is the one in the tens place. 5 tenths. So answer is number 1. And take note, if you are my student, when you do the work, your correction have to include the working. What's the value of the digit 2 in the number? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See the value of digit 2. So this was the value. I put down 2 here. And all this would be 0. In other words, this 2 represents 20,000. 20,000. And that's the answer here. 20,000. 4 zeros. Which digit is in the tens THS place? 41.32. This one is in the TEN, tens place. This is in the ones place. The digit 3 is the one in the tens THS place. And digit 2 is in the hundreds place. Again, a reminder to my students, correction always include whatever you see on the screen. So tens. Which of the following is the same as 50,201? By the way, all these are taken from past year PSLE questions. So if you can actually do well in these questions, good job. That means that you have a very good chance of doing very well at the P6 Foundation Math paper. Which of the following is the same as 50,201? So this is 50. This is 5,000. Looking for 50,000. This stands for 50,000. So these are the only two options in 50,000. 201 means 201. This is 20, it's not 200, so that's wrong. So answer is number 4. Next one, round off this to 2 decimal places. 6.474. 2 decimal place. So I go to the second decimal place. This is the second decimal place. This is the first decimal place. So since the question says 2 decimal places, I go to the digit in the second decimal place. Then I look at the number after it. Is this number bigger or smaller than 5? If it's smaller than 5, it means I add a 0, it's closer to 6.47. Curly equal sign 6.47. The answer is number 3. Next question, round off 64.6 to the nearest whole number. Again, reminder, if you're my student, please make sure you do your corrections by copying down what you see on the screen. So whole number refers to all the numbers in front of the decimal. So if this is the nearest whole number, I look at the digit behind the decimal and see if is this bigger than 5. If it's bigger than 5, I can plus 1. So therefore 64.6 is nearer to the whole number of 65. And that will be answer number 3. Next one, round off this to the nearest whole number. So again, a similar question to the one in front. So 82.9. So whole number is 82. So look at the number, the digit behind the decimal. Is this bigger than 5? Yes, it is bigger than 5. So I can add 1. This is nearest to 83, and which is answer number 3. Now, just to be very clear for those who are still not clear, there's a whole number called 82. There's a whole number called 83. So where is 82.9? This is 82.1, 82.2, 82.3, 82.4, 82.5, 82.6, 82.7, 82.8, 82.9. So therefore, which whole number is nearest to 82.9? Of course, 83 is the one nearer to it. That's how we understand this question. Of course, you need not draw the number line. You just need to use this, right? This is just meant for your understanding. Next one, this is a rectangle. Find the area of the shaded triangle. So all you need to do is, I need the height and base. This is the height. I don't have the base, so I need to find the base. 10 minus 4, I get 6. So I should have a step 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Area is half times 6 times 8. Half times base times height. I will get 24. Since this is centimeter, so it will be square centimeter. Find the area of the shaded triangle shown in this rectangle. So if this is a right angle, this would be the base, this is the height. I turn it around for you to see more clearly. How to find this base? The whole length of the rectangle is 12. This part is 5. To get this part is 12 minus 5. So my first step is 12 minus 5 is equals to 7. And to find the area of this part, so half times base, which is 7, times height, which is 10. So I'll have 35. So 35 square centimeter. These are all paper 1 questions, so you're not supposed to use a calculator. So all these numbers are easily solvable. All these questions are easily solvable using just your calculations on paper and your mental sum. The area of a square is 36 square centimeter. Let's say I have a square. The area is 36 square centimeter. Square means all sides are equal. Now, how do I get 36? I must have two numbers that multiply my length and breadth multiplying together to get 36. So 1 times 1 is 1. No, it's not 36. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, I get 36. Great. So now I know each side is 6. The breadth here is 6. The length here is 6. The breadth here is 6. To find the perimeter, I add up all the sides. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, I'll have 24 centimeter. This is perimeter, not area. So this answer must be in centimeter. Last 4 questions. A piece of paper is cut into square A and rectangle B. The perimeter of square A is 40 cm. Perimeter of square A is 40 cm, which means that if I add this side, this length plus this breadth plus this length plus this breadth, I'll have 40. Since this is a square, all the 4 sides are equal. To find out what is one side, very simple. I use 40 divided by 4, I get 10. Another way to understand this is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Perimeter, right? Add up length plus breadth plus length plus breadth equals to 40. So I know that each side is 10 centimeter. Now we're supposed to find area of B. This is area of B. So it's a rectangle. So length times breadth will be area of rectangle. So length is 10. Breadth is 8. So I multiply that, I'll have 80 square centimeter. Answer, don't forget your units. Next one, find the area of the triangle. There are 3 numbers here. Focus on the right angle. So this is the 90-degree perpendicular line. So 5 is the height. 8 will be the base. So half times base, which is 8, times height, which is 5. Right, you will have 40 divided by 2, and there will be 20. So 20 square centimeter. We discussed those in my class in 2025. We have discussed these 3 questions in class today. So you have no reason not to do well in them. Find the area of the shaded triangle. So this is the height here. And this height isn't it the same as this? So this is 6. So to find the area of this shaded triangle, simply half times this is the base times this is the height. And you would have 36. This is meters. So 36 square meters. Last question. This is a shaded triangle. This will be the height. And the base will be this part. But I don't have the number for the base. I do have 14 here. I do have 3 here. So 14 minus 3. First step. I'll have 11. This is 11 meters. To find area of this triangle, I'll have half times 11 times 5. It will be 55 divided by 2. Just do your long division. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 7, 14. Add a decimal, bring a 0 down. 2 times 5, 10. So answer is 27.5. 27.5, this is meters, right? Square meters. Right, and a reminder to those in my class in 2025, please let your parents sign on this when you get this back tomorrow, which will be 18th of July. And do make sure you watch this to do your corrections over the weekend. All the best.